Hi, this is probably your first time meeting the Inokim Light, and I will be giving you a 101 on how to use your Inokim Light. This is how you probably have received your light, folded. So I will tell you how to unfold it first. And of course, you could have read the manual, but who does that these days? That's why you're watching this video, right? So I will show you how do you unfold it. Actually, you put one hand to hold the T-bar and your foot on the red switch, and you pull the T-bar as when you press the red switch. So this little thing comes out of its socket and moves upwards. And as it goes to the highest socket, you give it a little push till you hear a very nice snappy click. So that means the thing goes into its place, like this. And you can move this red pin down for more safety, so the round thing does not go out when you're riding. Now I will tell you how to do the T-bar. You open the two handles and twist the red ring in place. And open the quick release. And pull the T-bar out. And now lock it. You're good to go. And actually, how do you fold the Inokim? Is just do what I did, but in reverse. But there's one little trick that I want to share with you, because I see a lot of people don't know how to do it the first time. Is how do you fold it? So the thing that I realize is a lot of people don't know how to close the T-bar at the first time. What they do is they step on the red switch and press as hard as they can, and they say, oh, why does this thing fold? But they're not doing one thing, which is they don't use their hand to push the T-bar a bit. This is what you should have done, like this. See? Easy. You need to push the T-bar forward a bit. The reason why you need to do this is because we engineered so. So when you're riding, if you touched your red switch a bit, so the whole board does not go down. So that wouldn't be very nice, would it? And now I want to talk a little bit about the throttle. How do you operate it? So I will be talking about the throttle right now. So you can see this is the throttle of the light. You can see it consists of several parts. This is a speedometer, which means it shows how fast you're going, and this is the gear. Right now it's in 3, so it's speed, so it means it goes the fastest mode that we have. And this is the odometer, and you can just press the power button to switch between odometer, trip odometer, and the just odometer. This is for the trip. And this is the odometer, and down there is a battery indicator, pretty straightforward. Okay, and as you want to access the settings to the throttle, you just press the plus and minus button at the same time. Okay, now let's indicate this is the first setting, and BL means black lighting, so the black lighting is now set to level 3. You can toggle from like 3 to 1. So you can just try it out, see which one fits your needs, and press the power button again. Takes you to the speed limit set. Now it's set to 30 kilometers per hour. Of course, you can tune it down to however you like, and press the power button again. Now it's the cruise control. Now it's set to yes, so the cruise control is on for this unit right now. Of course, turn it off. Now it says no, and just click the power button again. Now it shows the unit, which means is it going to kilometers per hour, or if it's 1, then it's in miles per hour. But in other models, actually we have newer models that does actually have a sign that says mile per hour, so you probably see a sign here. But that's basically how it works. And you just long press the power button again. It takes you back to the first screen, and that's basically how you use your throttle. Oh, and there's something I forgot to mention is if you press the plus button for like 3 seconds, the black light will just start, and you just press it for a few seconds again and it will turn off. And also, if you want to clear the trip odometer, you first go to trip odometer, then press the minus button for a while. Now it's cleared to 0, so it starts from 0 again. Of course, it doesn't change the odometer. And now I'll be talking about pump and tires. How do you use the pump that came with the Inokim to pump up your tires? Now we're gonna talk about tires and pumps, because Inokim Light utilizes a pneumatic tire, which means it has air in it. So just like your car, you need to pump it up once in a while. So that might, in your case, maybe like 2 weeks or 1 week or a month, depends on where you live and how your tire is. Anyway, just keep it in check. You have to pinch it from time to time to see if the pressure is okay. It would be really nice if you have a gauge, but I think most people don't. But if you see anything like this means you need to pump some air in it, because it's almost going to be flat when you stand on it. So this is not good. So first you find the nozzle, which is here. Open the cap, and you put the pump to it. Oh, this is the pump that came with the light, by the way. And until it's firmly contacted, pull out this lever. This locks the pump with the tire, and you just start pumping. It's gonna take a little while because it's small pump. Okay, and now I think it's good. So just pull the pump out, put back the cap again. Now this tire is good. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to InnoLab, as I will be giving you more tips and interesting things about Inokims. Have a nice day, and welcome to Inokim.